Mono, what's up, buddy? How's your day going? All right, are we live on the YouTubes? It looks like yes. The answer is yes. We are live on YouTube. Let us create x.com, the everything application. Long day. Oh, Mono, are you an EU? Are you an EU boy? I'm in Japan. Oh, nice. Wait, I feel like I already knew that. I don't know. Tim, what up? Teej, I'm your biggest idol. Italian SpongeBob. You are what you worship, as they say. That makes me an Italian SpongeBob. Did you have a shower? I did not yet. I'm gonna go for a long walk / well, probably just a walk on my new walking treadmill today after stream. And so I didn't want to shower twice. In Japan until January 2026. Nice. Japan repping strong today. Oh, wow. Whoa, early gang. What's up, Isco? Do you have a Stairmaster? No, I bought a walking treadmill. Elixir time. Let's go. All right. So here's where we are, chat. Here's where we are. Almost a long day. What's up? YouTube chat. Hello, YouTube chat. Elix this. No. All right. But Beaver, my walking treadmill that I just got does have incline. So we're going to test out how that feels. I did a little bit of, I tried it out on Saturday for a while and felt pretty good. Probably I walked for at least like an hour or so. It was nice. It was nice. I was thinking this is great. I might try it on stream at some point. Isn't every treadmill walking one? Some of them, Bisco, if you use them at low speed for a long time, break down very quickly. Very quickly. Make sure you do strength training too. Yeah, well, I'll let you in on a little secret. Doing something is better than nothing, though. So, plus we've got these. Oh, just get a quick pump in. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. Strength training complete. We're all set. Whew. Just got to get my reps in, guys. Just got to get my reps in. Quick pump for the cam. That's why I used to train my fingers. Chat. Usually just one finger at a time so that I can get them very strong for typing. Okay. Let's see where we are here. I don't remember where we are. I don't remember what. Okay, nice. This not looking amazing yet. Not looking amazing, I would say. But there's something going on. There's something there. Make sure profile config. Ooh. Where do we have app.js still? App.js. We shouldn't have that. Anywhere. Who put this in here? Did I put this in here? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. Okay. Fine. We'll just go to mix. We'll... Okay, we'll try this now. All right. What is going on here? Who's writing apps? Who wrote app.css? We don't have this anymore. Live view HTML formatter counting code? That doesn't make sense. Something with Elixir LS must be very messed up right now. Did I install that with... We'll try this. We'll try updating it. We'll see. CSS sucks. JS sounds fake. Is it good or bad I walk 3 miles to go to McDonald's? It seems good. I've been using a walkpad for a few months now. Really cool. Turns out connecting a free unit walkpad to a European socket makes it blow up. Don't do that, I hear. Yes. Just curious, what OS do you use, please? Arch. I use Pop OS. What's up, Joseph? Am I crazy? Did I not just delete app CSS a second ago? Oh, wait a second. Right. Wait, no. App CSS. I shouldn't be using this anywhere, right? Oh, I have it right here, right? This should be Cron CSS. How did I do this for the other ones? How did I do this for the other ones? Clipped. Right. Okay, so I did Cron. Yeah, we'll do... Wait, no. This is the right one. Sure, we can do this. I feel like this should also say Cron Web. Okay, what happened to my formatters? Why is this suddenly... Okay. Because this definitely should be working. I'm confused. You're a morning streamer now? Yes. Guys, is he doing web dev? Sure am. Are you jujutsuing yet? I haven't. All I need for Git is to do this. Boop. Okay, cool. Committed. Because until Prime's done with his Elixir arc, I don't have to worry about anyone else writing this. What's the best PDF reader to you? Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm confused because if I do mix format, does this not work? It works. So then why is my LSP angry about this? That doesn't make sense. He's right. He's right. They hated him because he was right. You're lonely for you a minute later, you open Teej stream, feel better. Oh, nice, Mercy. Welcome. Good morning. Sumatra? I don't think that's for reading PDFs. If that's what your girlfriend told you, you might want to do a little bit more. Why not? Okay, we're doing Elixir for everything. Elixir paid us $100 billion. Chat, this is all... Big Elixir. Big Elixir. The Big Elixir Industrial Complex. Okay, am I crazy? Elixir LS, unable to find formatter. What is going on? We'll ask ChatGPT for this. Elixir LS cannot find live view HTML formatter, but mix format works. What is up with that? Elixir is not owned by big tech. Is that an actual? It's an actual article. From recently too? Oh, that's really funny. Oh, true. Maybe we need to do that. Yeah, we'll remove that. We'll get rid of the build as well. We'll chill. We'll chill. And we'll see what happens here. So why Elixir? What is it good for? It's good for a lot of different things. So the reasons that I wanted to try out Elixir more, I've already done a lot with Elixir in the past, and I've enjoyed it a lot. I really like live view. I think live view is nice. I think I like that it's functional, but it actually has a community of people that care about shipping like pragmatic software. I think the type system stuff's very interesting, and I really like the actor model. ChatGPT still understands? Yeah. I mean, I typed everything correctly, but like, I mean, you don't need yeah, it doesn't care. The concurrency, yeah. Built a CRUD app with Elixir and got a 100K job instantly. Nice. I haven't any clue what that is, but I'm gonna look into it. Nice. AI article. Breathing manual. What's up, buddy? Good seeing you. You making Rent a Famous Dog app? Wait, good. Yo! What up? Actors? Where? Beastco, I'm an actor. I pretend to be Prime's friend and then help him make funny videos. What could be more of an actor than that? Are we making T app for men? We already have that. It's called Cron. Okay. Why did this fail to build? I don't know. Let's try. So we'll try one more time here. Let's try opening up a file, and then are we still getting angry? Okay, no. So Elixir LS not angry anymore. Great. Well, maybe it is still. Oh my goodness. Lua vim.lsp buff format. What is going on? Local share nvim log lsp log. What is it again? Log lsp log. Where's the file for this? Local state lsp log. Help. Oh no, what is going on here? It's very angry. Formatter plugin here. Okay, let's try this. I think this is the one. RM-RF depths too? Ugh, fine. We'll try one more time here. Otherwise, we're gonna just get angry. We'll remove lexical too, depths, and build. Okay. Oh, is this what I'm supposed to do? I just tried this. And it did not seem like it fixed the problem. What font do you use? Berkeley Mono. That and LSP restart. VS Code. If I could figure out how to ban people in YouTube chat, I would. So Heel, thanks for the love from India. Sending you love back from Michigan. You're early. I am. We're gonna try and get on an earlier stream schedule. No, wait, actually censored it. We have advanced AI technology. It can tell the difference between Visual Studio, which is fine because it's not lying about being open source. Oh, but it can tell when I'm going to say Visual Studio Code, right? Or VS Code for short. It knows. Guys, we have the technology. Didn't I say Berkeley Mono? What about Cursor? Cursor doesn't lie about what it is either. Like, VS Code says, we love open source. We're an open source editor, blah, blah, blah. Those things are lies. They're lies. Okay? Wait, how come those are lies? Since you mentioned them, you should definitely get an affiliate link. I've tried. Sorry, how come those are lies? Because let me ask you this. I really need to make a video about this. Why VS is a liar? Yeah, I should record that. I'm gonna record it tonight. I'll record it tonight, chat. I'll make a YouTube video so that I don't have to say this on stream so often. The main reason that it's a liar, right, is because they say they're open source. First off, wrong. They give you a proprietary build with stuff that you can't see the code for, so it's not. So that's a lie. That's lie number one. Lie number two, we love the open source community. Okay, if you love the open source community, you love LSP so much, then why is Pylance illegal to run outside of VS Code? Riddle me that. Riddle me that. That was a fresh download and recompile of everything. Normally it's very fast. Right? Those are the two main things, right? So they are lying to you. They're lying to you. We're open source except if you want to use our plugins, then we're not open source. So we're going to leverage the community, but then we're not going to be contributing back in that way. There are some eye-based mouse replacements, yeah. What about VS Codium? VS Codium is better, at least. Free text editors, nearly as much as promised free browsers, yeah. You shouldn't be using Python anyways. EBN's got a point. By the way, chat, if you actually use VS Code, I don't actually care. It's a bit of a bit. But I do think it's like, it is a little bit important to at least not give Microsoft extra credit. Right? Okay, so what is going on here, Zach? I had this working yesterday, opened this up today, and now it didn't work. Makes error. Formatter plugin cannot be found. Then say it without beeping. VS Codium, we'll say. What language server are you using? Good question. Kilo Hard, Microsoft, exactly. Elixir LS. I also have LexiCal. Just use one of them? All right. All right, all right. Whoops. Oh. All right, we'll try that. We'll try that. Let's try again. We'll open this up. Okay, I think we just delete this as well. Oops. Yep, there we go. There we go. Okay. So now I think I won't have any right now inside of here. Okay. Beautiful. May not find for Elixir LS. That's not the right one. Oh, is it Elixir _ LS? Where is the list of all of them? Oh, it is Elixir LS, yeah. Could not find. Oh, I have to define one. I see. So if I go back to here, that's why I need this. At least for right now. Okay. Oops. Formatter plugin is not loaded and will be skipped. Well, it didn't seem like it. Okay, whatever. Well, we're back. Okay. All right, so anyways, slight detour while we were testing that out. That's fine. We'll try this now. Chest Twitch Handler 1. Oh, I just deleted everything. Right. Twitch auth. There we go. We got to do that. You can close this window. Thanks, Shirai. Good job. Did I delete too much with this? From terminal Cron window, unknown ES build profile. Oh, right. Okay, so all right. Config. All right, so here we go. So I was in the middle of oh no, this one's good. This one's good. Config terminal ash domains terminal Cron. That seems right. All right, we'll try this again. Let's restart this. Okay. We should be here. Great. Now we have a feed. All right. Who? Oh, did I not build a cron watcher though? Probably not yet. Probably not. Cron web. Let's go to here. We got an ES build one here, and we need a, not the ES build, but the Tailwind one. Config Tailwind. What did I do again for config? Watchers. Where did I do watchers? I did not do this the right way. I know that I didn't do it the right way. So just relax. VS Weep has been added. Not open source violence is great. That's funny. That's good. That's good. Is he live? Yo, bro, why not responding to chat? Because I'm reading the code. I'm reading the code. All right, I have to do this. Oh, this is just cron. I just called it cron and cron. Maybe we should have called it cron web. I did clipped web earlier. We'll call cron web. We'll do that. And then we'll go to here and we'll say change this to. All right, we'll try again. I'm doing great, Suyash. What about you? He's reading the code. All right, nice. So now, hypothetically, chat, we haven't actually built this cron web CSS yet. Cron web CSS. Do I have clipped web CSS? Where are my CSS files? I have chess web CSS. That's good. We just change this and do cron web. Whoops. And then we don't need any of these random ones here. Those are all for magic. I don't think we need any of those either. Okay. Should just need this, really. All right, and then did I put the right thing for cron web for this? Input CSS cron web CSS. Got to restart that builder. All right, we'll try this. Whoops. All right, so we should be get assets cron web CSS. Did that not work? Priv static assets. I have cron web.js clipped. Okay, let's see, where are we here? Tailwind config.js input CSS cron web CSS. Cron web CSS. I do have that. CSS cron web CSS. Oh, but maybe we're literally not generating. Is that what we called it? Cron web.css. That's important. It's important to change the name on all of them, chat. It's important to change the name on all of them, including the output. instead of copy and pasting it without doing the output. Hey, would you look at that? That looks more like a website, chat. That looks more like a website. Okay, so now we go to Cron layout here. I can go to here and we say BG white. No, BG gray 800. Ooh. I made a website, boys. We made a website. Can we get rid of WordPress now? No, because it's only going to work for Cron. I don't care to make it work for anybody else. Oh, what is the point of today? Sorry, commands, edit. Today, we are making a Patreon-like experience for Cron members. BeganBot said I had 1 week to try and write my own before he got mad and made us use a off the shelf product. But I don't care what he says. He's not the CEO. There you go. Hashtag Tuba Enjoyer. That's the thing you mentioned to Casey. Yes, it's if it gets working for us, I could possibly make it at least work for Casey better too. This is vibe coding. Teej, you need no glasses? Well, the only glasses we need are these. I like Casey's OOP talk where he doesn't like OOP. I haven't watched it all the way through yet. Vibe coding, no thanks, but I prefer code vibing. Watched everything but the question period. Nice. Coding with a vibe. All right, so where are we now? Right. So here's what we need to do next. We need to say, I was actually doing some vibe coding, no joke with this. Where are we so far? How much of this did we actually make? Cron web. Oh, would you look at that? Is that Ash query I see? Are these Cartier? I don't know what that is. No, these are Michigan football interception glasses that I like. I don't know if these are good, but this is it's something. Wait, how to build projects after just learning a language? It's hard for me. You got to build a lot of projects and then you'll have that better. What? Why didn't... I guess I haven't... Why is this not playing, dude? Who knows? If you have usage rules, tell your agent to refactor that to use a code interface. It should use code interfaces. May have been too late. We'll try it right now. I don't even know. Do we have a cron? We do. We do. Look at this. I didn't write any of this code, by the way. Okay. So you're telling me I should have some... We'll put in Ash. Always use code interfaces for your actions. Sure. I'm assuming that's right. I'm only a little bit into the book. I'm only on page... No, I got farther than this. I was here. I was about... here-ish. It's on my to-do list for walking this afternoon. Teej, I've been to admin plugin and it works, but I never open source any of my projects. Kind of nervous about people judging my code. Advice? Unfortunately, here's the likelihood. Nobody else will ever look at the code. So number one, don't worry about that till it actually happens. In that case, worry is paying interest on a debt that may never get claimed. Okay, so don't do that. Number two, who cares what people on the internet think? They can't hurt you here. So there you go.
Very good. You give me so much.
People look at your side projects, but how do you get them to? That's exactly. Okay. Zach, is there anything about polymorphic tables with Ash that does something extra cool with them? Yacht problem, exactly. Also, getting feedback can be a good thing. Is there a TUI framework for TUIs? There's Bubble Tea. Dax is making a new one called Open TUI. Did you set up the usage rules package? I think so.
How would you say your
usage
mental
rules?
focus
I've got them right here.
Oh, it's focused.
I thought yes. But maybe I'm on some old versions of things too. Maybe I don't have the latest of everything because it wasn't that long. Currently going through the Kickstart experience. Nice. Word. Just tell your agent to read usage rules like 100% of the time before doing anything. Oh, you're saying I need to tell it, yo, idiot, run usage rules for something? It should be reading this the whole time. Now, to be fair, I don't know if I ran that before I ran the first round. But the thing I wanted to ask though, Zach, is do you have the focus code? No, it's so true. It's a little quiet, maybe? I don't know. Notice just a bunch of those use rules are just links. Ooh. I didn't notice. Because I also, okay, declarative asset usage rules. Oh, like it should open up this file. So then it would open up deps, Ash, Postgres, usage rules like this. Oh, and then it's 300 lines. Gotcha. Consult these usage early often. Gotcha. I'd rather just pay for the tokens. And they're all just there. But that's fine. Why Postgres always king? Yeah, you do. You can do inline Ash Postgres when you sync. Can I run that and it won't bother this thing, right? Usage rules inline. Oh, I see what you're saying. So this is like, whoops. This is usage rules all. Then I go here and I say Ash. Just, oh, okay. Gotcha. No need for inline. I can just go like this. All. Proceed without viewing changes. Yes, this is much better. Just load it up. It's only 2,000 lines. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? Who cares? It's just 2,000 lines. I'm about to let it go run wild on a log file. Like. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Then let's just try this. I'll just say, here we go. Ready? I've updated my @agents MD. Fix all of the code problems in Cron and Cron Web based on the newly updated guidelines. No mistakes. Now we're cooking, boys. Teej, is it true you're moving to Ohio? Who is out here slandering me? It's a good thing we have open code, because now in the meantime, I can go track somebody down. I can go track someone down. Who's spreading these fake news? You know what would be smart, though? Just quickly before we do this, is I should just maybe throw a quick commit. Just a quick one that we can go back to. I live in Michigan right now. What font am I using? Berkeley Mono. Missing code interfaces. Very smart. Good job. It's going to get around to doing exactly what we wanted. Okay, nice. This is good. Hey, this is good, right? This is what I want. I'm questioning no mistakes. You have to let it know. Okay, but Zach, what about polymorphic tables? What about polymorphic tables? As in, like, I have a list of posts, and some of them are video, but does Ash have a thing for them? Like, is there something special I should do, or should I just do this? You know what I'm saying? Is Zash Ash Daniels? It's Zash Ash Daniels in the chat. What's up, Gorge? Ash Ketchup? It's good now. Stop it before it loses context. No, it's cooking, guys. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. References do post on delete delete. Oh, very smart. Very good job, open code. You know the thing your code will never miss? The vibes. You forgot to announce stream, by the way. Oh, my lands. You're totally right. Add everyone. I am live.
Made it properly tail recursive, like.
Good call. Good call.
Actually, my favorite.
I am a good project, secret project, hot reload, but I'm curious your progress is going on Discord. I already posted, Dan. I already posted. Before you said anything. It was because of Gorge. He's live? Make sure to tell it to compile, etc. I think I told it never run mix commands because I was getting tilted before. Let's see. Mix. Never any run mix, exception of mix compile mix test. Okay, good. Always run mix compile at the end of a longer session so that you don't make stupid mistakes. This keeps you at tip-top operating efficiency. Like a true genius! Don't worry. I'll give Chaos Orbs for continued excellence. Savix, yo, what up? Roasted, thanks for the sub. Dan, thanks for the sub, etc., etc. Nix OS, by the way, thanks for the sub a while ago. I didn't say anything. Dota 2 Attitude, great name. I always love it. You ready to be best friends? Should be able to run mix commands. There are a lot of important mix tasks. I think what besides, I told it I was just getting tilted because it would try and run the server all the time, and I was like, stop running the server. All right, we'll do a quick. I mean, this looks good. I'm assuming, oops, this still works, right? Layups 1 is undefined. Make sure the module name is correct. Coffee shop money. Mixed usage rules docs and mixed usage rules search docs. It needs these two? Okay. Sorry, chat. Bisco's already doing brainstorming ways to run from. Are you using Tidewave? Not yet. Not yet. Could repeatedly turn alerts on. I'll turn to bring my own table tennis gear. Bless you. Banned. We don't do that around here. Key inner content not found in this. Okay. Questionable.
Ocambo is actually my favorite.
No, it's just
Were you inspired by the Replit guy? What do you mean? Vibe coding the payment system? Fortunately, no. We don't have to vibe code that. Dax already wrote it. The guy that got his prod deleted by AI. I thought you were talking about the CEO. Okay, nice. We're back. All right, great. Okay. Those are two different guys. I don't think the CEO got his thing deleted. All right. We need to make... First off, this looks ugly, but we can fix that part later. That's not a problem. Always delete prod database. Best way to speed up your CRUD app. Yes. True, true, true. So if I go to live and I just think this feed live. Post item. Great. Nice. Post components. Awesome. Why did you have to spam Discord to brought unsavory characters like Nightshade, dude? I'm sorry, Bisco. I couldn't help it. Remember, always delete prod database. Yeah, it makes my query time go down to 0. I mean, I think if you're going to use an LLM, you should give it more context. It does a lot better if you tell it not to make stupid mistakes. Yo, what up, Speechus? Where'd I find your NeoVim setup? I think it's this one. The gym, you wouldn't understand. I don't know. NVim? I don't know. It's github.com, TJ DeVries, config, NVim, or something like that. Production, never production back from existence with a single command. Impressive. Impressive. Okay, sweet. All right, so next up, chat. Next up, what do we need to do? This is for... I need to have a way where we can actually click to go in and view this. I think that's a simple enough one. I want to be able to click on a post item in the feed and then open up a page for that post. Make sure to use components and be an expert Elixir. Actually, you know what? We're going to start a new one. I don't want it to get confused with our old context. This is feed live. I want to be able to click on one of the post components and open up a new page. Make sure to reuse our components or make new ones to handle this behavior. Okay. All right. While we're doing that, we need to think about what else we have to include to actually make this thing like properly work. So,
recursive, like, OCaml is actually my.
Oh, it's going great. What about you, functioning? Streams, by the way, sure do. Made a plugin about less than 50 and a minimalist plugin and adds mini. It is cheating to add mini to a minimalist config, because that's like saying, well, I just added 37 plugins without you noticing. It's like I have a 0 config NeoVim setup. I use lazy NVim, which is fine, but it's a little bit cheating. It's a little bit cheating, you know? What distro do you use? I use Pop OS. Cheating? Yeah, make a plugin that has your whole config is so funny. Okay, so let's... Lazy setup, my username / my config. Yeah, it's funny. The YouTube series called Understanding NeoVim. It's the thing that got me sick with NeoVim. Nice. Whenever I watch a stream, I should be one click away from moving to Pop OS. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Like and sub. Great point, Roland. Great point. Will you rewrite your config for 0.12? Maybe. Yeah. All right. So let me think about this. Let me think as well. So we need to basically make it... I want to start working on comments as well. I don't want you to write... I don't want you to write CSS. Okay, nice. We're getting there. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. I mean, it didn't work, but when I click on it, when I click on it, I get the error. Also, make sure that we aren't using titles for this. That would be so stupid. We want to use IDs. Okay. You got to tell it more insistently to always ensure that the app compiles and tests pass before thinking it's done. Well, it compiled, and I don't have any tests for this. I did forget to write no mistakes in this version. You are right about that. See, this is the wrong, it's putting the wrong thing here. Which is fine. We can figure this out. Because this should be not post slug, this should be post ID. We'll see if it sorts that out. I'm interested to see if it'll get it. Give it KS orbs? I know. We'll get there. We'll get there for sure. Is there a reason for using Pop OS? I have a System 76 desktop. You should make an album that takes in very specific inputs, gives a deterministic output. That's funny. All right, so then after this, what do we need to do? I should go to my spec thing and then see what we want to do here. Blah, 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 blah. Ready for testing, basic post feed, text and video post rendering, polymorphic content. Yes, that part's true. That part's true. So this should not be slug. What? Hello? Request was aborted. Why? Fix it! No mistakes. I don't know if maybe I pressed escape 3 times. I do have a habit of pressing escape a bunch of times when I go into a new tab from NeoVim, which tends to cancel open code. In the middle. Okay, there we go. Nice. We're back. We're so back. Add a comment. Great. Now add comments to the text post page. Is it even worth it? I don't have System 76 hardware. No idea. Are they PoE2 maxing over here? What's going on? What's up, Nathan? Is it open code from DAX? It is, yes. I miss a normal insert mode in normal, but so far it's been a good user experience. Yeah. Yeah, we'll need to add our OAuth stuff from here. Wow, look at that. Mix Ash Code Gen. Very cool. Very cool. Usage rules working. Bang hardware. I think it's specs, maybe. Computer. There we go. Your options kind of depends why you need them. If there are just a few feeds you need to type, then you could just send out to this ash.type.union. So I have basically the idea is we're going to have a bunch of different kinds of posts. This is at least how I would do it. Right? And so we have a posts table, right? And it's got post ID and it has post kind. Right? And then I need to have a text posts, video posts, because they're going to be very different things. Poll posts, etc. Right? And then this would be text, video, etc. Polymorphic relationships. Okay. We do a little reading. We do a little reading, chat. For this example, bank account, savings account, or checking account, that is kind of like what we're doing. All accounts have even an account number and transaction. We need a Twitch chat account. It just sets the number to 0 and keeps it there. That's what it feels like, at least. Ash does not support polymorphic defined as relations. We can accomplish them via calculations. Oh, I remember reading about calculations last time. Is Claude Sonnet 4 the best used with open code? I think so, yeah. Between Go and Elixir, which concurrency model do you like the most? Elixir by like a million miles. For this tutorial, we've dedicated a scroll bank account. I suggest taking that approach as many things down the road will be simplified. That's it. You don't necessarily need to do that. There are no commonalities between type. Same with polymorphism on bank account, resource use, find relationship, saving count, and checking count directly. Reading is Control V. Summarize. Enhance. Enhance. What's up, Ari? When are you going to chat with DHH again? I don't know. We're hopefully doing a conference with him. Deepankar, thank you. Welcome. George Walk also said this. I know it hurts a little bit. It hurts a little bit. It never took off, guys. It never took off. Raise the link to Jimmy and ask for a summary. I like reading the entire thing. Oh my, Prime wasn't kidding when he said you stream, by the way. True, he wasn't. Are you using Phoenix? Yep. Yeah. All right. Read the entire thing. Yes. Oh, programming's boring. Explain this. Explain why this has 150,000 views then, okay? Explain that. Riddle me that, Jordan Walk. I love Jordan though. Favorite programming paradigm? The one where we sell things to customers and they pay us money. Begin.
Lab, coding through the night. His white paper's tight, ready to ignite. Haskell conference, the perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline. Pig's heart sinks, motion start to fray. His code's a masterpiece.
This song is so good, dude.
Rejected again, he can't
This is such a good
understand
AI track, man.
why. Pig won't give up, though he'll reach for the sky.
Unfortunately, we do need to regenerate the song pick so that you can have an actual ending to the song. Next time on a 10-hour flight, downloading that video. Is this a MacBook? What? No. Yeah, I might try out Marky. Ban the DJ. If you like live book, scroll up and click the button. I don't. I'll just read it. It's okay. It has better now. Might be better at ending songs. It is. Okay, so pick. You'll like this. So, actually, okay. Well, okay. All right. I'll go back a few steps to give everybody enough context to understand. So I teach this class at my church. Basically, it's like, it's Sunday school. We call it Sunday school, but adults still go. It's after, like we have a big service, then we have a smaller group one where people go and hang out together. So I've been teaching on Matthew for the last year or so. We finally finished. So for our review activity, I had everyone write lyrics for songs, and then we AI generated the songs at the end of class, and it was so funny. It was so funny, dude. Like, they were like, the one group did make this in the style of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air for the core, or for the verses, and then Who is the King of the Jungle for the verses, and it started, this is a story all about Jesus. It was killing me, dude. It was so funny. Oh my goodness. Suno 4.5 actually decent. Yeah, it was super funny. We used Suno 4.5 for it, and it was hilarious. Very fun activity, by the way, chat. If you're looking for a fun activity, generating funny songs for yourself is good. Yeah, whatever. It's okay. No, Teej, you have to pay an artist for that. I was not going to pay 4 different bands to come in and play. 90s Weather Channel music. Nice, Chairs. Yeah. So anyways, it was very funny. Very funny. I completely lost track of where I was. I think we were just reading this. I bet you blew their minds. I did. They were like, what is happening? It was hilarious. Bisco remove time on pick. Good. Good. Where should you start from absolute start? Vim Tutor. There you go. That's where you want to start. Good mod. All right, defining our resource. We have a new resource. We have actions, read, store, create, account number, type. Sure. Yep, that makes sense. Attributes. It has some primary ID, attribute, account number, integer. Right, and some type. One of. Ooh, that's cool. I didn't know we could do this. I might be using that already. But oh, nice. We are. Very cool. One of free subscriber commenter. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Is he a good programmer? What should I say? He makes people laugh on the internet, if that counts for anything. Can't believe professional streamers finally doing some work. It's because Ash is so productive. There we go. Has one checking account, has one savings account. Okay. Yep. She says it counts. Excellent. Excellent. Gonna use promo code teej for 10% off Ash. Friends for life, exactly, yes. Wow, this was worth all the hours. Oh, man. I'm so thankful to whoever's wife let her husband work on this on the weekends. Very relatable. Looks oddly close to Ruby. That should not be a surprise. Elixir's very inspired by Ruby. ID, a unique bank account ID pre-check. Check. Oh, this is cool. I haven't seen these. I haven't seen some of these yet. Relationships belongs to a bank account. Allow nil false. Must belong to one. Got it. You do with Trash Dev on the Terminal Coffee ad on Twitter? Trash out there is slandering the company's name. Slandering the company's name. Never mind, not Ruby. Guys, if you're a programmer, do not name a girl named Ruby. Like, it won't be able to get the pre-check if you add it to the app. Pre-check. Oh, pre-check true. Okay. That's just for the ETS. Gotcha. Is Trash Dev the mustache guy? The one that does TypeScript and skateboard? That's the one. That's the one, yeah. That's the one. That's the one. Guys, I cannot. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. If you're in the US, you want to at least subscribe to Cron for 1 month. Okay? At least get this next bag that's coming out. You won't be able to get it any other place. You're gonna like it. The one that made Riverside is that's a good. Gorge, that's a deep pull. That's nice, dude. That's a good one. That's a really good one, dude. Oh man. Fortunately, I'm in Ukraine, no Terminal Coffee. Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to ship to other places. Actually, we have someone working on it right now. I don't know that one. Impressed. Well, it's because Theo made Ping, right? And he's doing the bit about Trash actually being Theo. So then it's like one extra step further. That's a good one. That's a good one. You know, like I like that, Gorge. That's a good one. Bank account, savings account, checking account. Got it. I'm just playing a joke guy. That's okay. It was a great pull. I wanted Gorge to get the credit for it. You know what I'm saying? When can I order terminal coffee from India? I don't know. That's a good question. Guys, it's so complicated doing taxes for other countries too. Why can't everything just be like software where you guys can pay us on Stripe and then it disappears? Taxes, dude. Oh. International food laws. Can you just vibe the taxes? I'll try that. We'll try that. ChatGPT, make me a valid tax account. What's terminal coffee? What's terminal coffee? Just the coolest way to order coffee of all time, chat. Put it in your cart. Order it. Order Cron. Build the international AI tax solver. Try about auto texting for use in the US. Not sure about. Yeah, it's more just like if you're shipping physical products to places, you know, like trade agreements exist. Oh, so baiting Prime into communism. So a Stripe wrapper that's handling tax in other countries for you. I don't know. Well, it's fine. We'll figure it out later. Trade to EU now go burn. Nobody knows. Nobody knows, dude. That's literally like I don't know if we're affected by that or not. Where do I subscribe to Cron? In the terminal. sshterminal.shop. Are you going to trade? I don't know, just guys. I don't think we're gonna do that. All right. Okay, stop. We haven't implemented the polymorphic part yet, but let's create a few of the resources to show how they relate. We can create a bank account for checking and a bank account for savings. Bank account number 1, type savings, bank account ID. Yes, we create all those and we load them. Okay, that makes sense. Below we can find an ash new type, a combination of existing type and custom constraints.
How would you say your
Oh,
mental
we're
focus
focused.
is? Which focus?
Finance.google.com shows green, so we're back. Is now supposed to pay $250 for an energy product from EU. Coffee can be considered an energy product. That does make sense. Oh, it's focused. Oh, it's focused. Okay, I've never seen this yet so far. New type, subtype of union, constraints. It's either checking or saving, I guess, right? Defining the calculation. Load, checking account, savings account. Interesting. Strict loads. Default. Okay. Calculate. Condition do. Checking out record count. Okay. Adding the calculation to our resource. You now load the implementation and see that for one account it resolves to checking account, other accounts to savings accounts. Interesting. Although synthesize filterable fields with calculation, you want to allow filtering bank account by interest rate, and that field only exists on savings account. You might have a calculation like this. Gotcha. Allow usage like filter interest rate greater. Oh, okay. I'm following. So that's where the real benefits come in for this, huh? What up, Chaz? To be fair, I had already tried Ash a year ago. So I just want my own credit for that I had tried it already. Zach, am I understanding correctly the biggest yeah, yep. It's true. I already tried it a year ago. I just didn't think I needed it for the other parts. Are you just copying that Prime guy? The one whose company I'm in? I actually can't tell if that's just an amazing troll or not. Thank you, dude. I can't tell if it's just an amazing troll or not. Even as the yoga ball shake my head, I sure do. I made balls.yoga. Okay, this seems complicated. You do use Neovim like Prime. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, this is very interesting. Calculation, account implementation, get account. Okay, we can try and do this. I think I can just do this, right? Let's go ahead and go here, and I want to say update our cron model for posts to use ash unions and a polymorphic relationship. Consider, I think I could just do this, right? For information. Will it read this? Dax, does it read? Dax, does it read? Does it read links, Dax? Tell not to use pre-check on the identities. Oh, we'll remove that. It's fine. I'll do it manually. I'm not opposed to writing the code. You say you aren't copying Prime while using a keyboard? You know you have eyes, right? I can do this. Though that's exactly what I wanted to do. That's perfect. That's perfect. I think. Is it supposed to do this? Wait a second. Type. This doesn't look right. Shouldn't type be struct? Or can I do this thing instead? Keyboard user confirmed. It should be struct. Okay. We'll fix that. We'll fix that. Is that right? That seems not good. I still want it to be post Greece, right? I feel like that won't be good. I don't know what embedded does. Wait, is it putting it all inside of the same? Am I dropping tables now? Oh, interesting. Is that how this works too? Is that good? It makes it embedded? You don't have to thank me. Oops. Dax, what is this? Dax, what is going on here, Dax? Hello, Dax? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. That's not good, chat. That's not good. We're gonna wait it out and see, though. We're gonna wait it out and see. We're gonna wait it out and see what it's doing now. Token go burr, guys. Token go burr. I panicked instead of thinking. Destroyed months of work. I don't think it read the guide you linked to. I don't think so. This doesn't look right at all. This doesn't look right at all. This is a way you could do it. Okay. I'm listening. I'm listening. That's good. It's just now how I typically... Oh! Control C, dude. What the heck? Zach, you gotta say that earlier, dude. Holy cow. That was a close one. We can't be having that. Okay, so we did not save. We did not commit. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All right. No, but we only didn't commit for one little thing. So it's not that bad. What? I want to just reset all of those, though. But I don't want to clean everything. What's the way to just clean dirty files? Clean files that are not get ignored, but are changed. Something like this, please. Is it just get clean dot? Dash. I don't want to do F. Get restore dot. That didn't work. No, I don't. I want to do the opposite. FDX force directories to remove untracked but not ignored files. Oh, capital X. I've never seen that before. I didn't know that. That's cool. That's not right. That has to be a lie, because those are get ignored. So that was survey says that was a lie. That was a lie. Hey, wait, what the? Oh no, it didn't do it at all. It did the exact opposite. Did I write it? Did I read it the wrong way? Did I read it the wrong way? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's a sponsored flag.
X is installed on billions of computers. Elon Musk, in his quest to get to Mars, has sponsored every Unix project secretly behind the scenes.
Ever seen a keyboard without the letter X? Checkmate. Okay, okay, so we need to do this though. We need to do this. I will write this then. I bet that's Prime's keyboard. He doesn't have any, well, I don't have any letters on mine either. See? No letters on mine. Okay. So let's try writing this again. I think I prefer this style here. I prefer this way. So we need to go relationships here. Which maybe this already do we already have our relationships? Yes, we do. Relationship has one text post, has one video post. So that part's good. We already have that part. It's the calculation that we haven't done yet. Calculations do and calculate. So I didn't really understand this. Implementation. Where do we use implementation later? Is implementation special? It's just a name for the field that you'll get specifics. Right, okay. That makes sense. I was just... Because I get... So it was like, okay, we say implementation. Elixir. I like that. I like that. Kickstarter guide. Oh, nice. Nice. Very cool, Ethel. Very nice. Early morning stream for West Coasters. Yeah. You could call it post details. Okay, I could just call it details. I like that. details. So what do I get over? Okay, so the main thing I would get from this, synthesize filterable fields with calculation. But I don't, the calculation part, that doesn't help me at all. But like this is completely separate though. So I just don't get why putting load oh, I see. So if I do this, I don't have to remember to always put text post, video post, etc., etc., etc. Then if I make different ones, I can just keep it all here. That's the win for this. I'm following now. I'm following. Well, can I ask, like, what's the scope you've set for yourself? To what extent do you want to make this? I think it's a cool project. Well, we're hopefully going to use it to do actual, like, behind-the-scenes stuff for Terminal for Cron members. You can pattern match on the resulting union. Okay, I think I'm following there too. Okay. Next, we'll define a calculation. Where do you put calculations? Like, where does this live? It's DVing time. We'll use Phoenix 2. Already am. Yep. Post calculations. I don't know if this will work. Nice, it does. I didn't know that. Don't I need to put something then like terminal.cron.post.calculations .get details? Okay. Okay. So then now Ash Union. So it's text post, video post. Okay. Type text post, video post, value, text post. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Got it. Ensures select by default, preload to depend on. Okay. Defining your enum type. Account implementation. Okay, well we didn't put this anywhere yet. I didn't do this part yet. Where should this be? Post types. You put this in like types like this. Do you just call this post details too? Were both of these get account implementation? This is. So this one get post details. We should change that. It already has post in the name. You're saying because it already has, it's in the post folder. I'm just going to leave it as get post details for right now in case I move it. Oh, not this one. This one. Terminal cron post types details. Yes. What did I call it in post details here? We're going to say type instance new type text post video post. Then this is terminal cron text post terminal.cron.video post. Got it. Cron subscription should allow customized schedules in cron format. Changed my mind. We thought about that. The problem is it kind of defeats the purpose of what we're going to go there until you alias it somewhere. I'm never going to alias anything anytime, Shirai, because I never remember that that's a feature. So checkmate. Okay. Or are you saying bad equals aliasing? Dang. Is this how you play 300 elo chess? They should make a movie like Free Solo, but it's called Free OS. Not about Rockman. That's not a bad point. It'd be fun. Fun video. Okay. All right, so now I did both of these two things. Now I have to go back to here and go to this calculation. What did we actually put for the calculation here? For bank accounts. Okay. This is post for me. Calculate. Implementation. Details. So this should be terminal. So I still can go like this at least though. Post details. Get post details. I know that I'm using an alias right now. I know, Shirai, I know. Did you read my question? No, Bisco, I didn't. I was coding. What did you ask? What did you ask, Bisco? What did you ask? How long ago? Where is it? Bisco, you have to pin it. How does the one get into conflict if don't want to subscribe to Cron? Oh, Bisco. Actually, no joke. The reason we're making this is we'll make a like lower priced version with no coffee just to get into the Cron Club. Yes, that's literally part of the goal. But Bisco, I can just add you. Thank you for the great C course on boot.dev. Hey, thank you, Sky Blue. Appreciate that. Anyway, I was saying it's better to keep posting the name. Removing it because the context of namespace is good until you alias it. Oh, yes. So wait, no. So my way was good. The Cron Club. Yes, we're making this. We are going to make Cron into a proper membership. The goal for Cron has always been you'll get part of like a members exclusive thing. We're going to do more stuff with Cron than just send coffee. The monthly coffee subscription from Terminal. But like we get that some people don't want to get coffee. Also that we only ship to like a very small spot, right? In the world compared to how big the world is. So we want ways for people to be able to come and hang out and do stuff. So we're going to have a bunch of fun things in there. So a platform that only Cron fans have access to. Yes, only Crons, exactly. It's cheap to ship things to Australia. Thanks for the update. Not a lawyer, everything you need to check with the EU regulation. Probably breaks some law. Yeah, probably though. Okay, so now we don't have to do this load like this. When we go load, we can just say details. So when I had load in a few places here. Oh, which I think we may have deleted that. That's true. That's possibly true. Because Australia needs more coffee. No, it's just going to be on terminal.shop. Or possibly cron.terminal.shop. Passing load to the code interfaces. Oh, I think we accidentally deleted the code interfaces. That was not easy to find. Yes, yeah. It's easier to find if you just SSH to terminal.shop. Oh, we're not going to be a different payment processor, but I didn't see... like, it's just right here. All right. Gorge, we all know you know who he is because it's you've seen me do the troll on him, so it's okay. Bald. Okay, I think we have to do the thing where we did open code last time and we just said I've updated at agents.md. Fix all of the code in Cron and Cron web with the new instructions. So we're gonna spin those tokens again. Oh, I did say no mistakes. We'll see. Yeah, I know, Zach. It was so good last time. All right. So if I load this and I have implementation here, one of the best things about Union is now it's integrated, working with unions in Ash Phoenix form. When building a form for a union, use inputs for as normal, but a few things can be done under the hood. Let's look. Normal content, special content. Wait, is this right? That's open code. I need to make a cron to upgrade open code every 5 minutes. True. That's outdated. Finding bugs. All well, here, let's just make sure we're on the latest one, right? Yeah, okay, we are. Embarrassing. Live on Twitch. Live on Twitch, guys. We found a bug. Zach, hopefully your wife left before we did that. That would have been embarrassing for you after I'd said all those good things about how much I liked Ash. outdated dogs. That's good. That was a close one. Like she just let you, she did leave. As in she left. Oh. Okay. Zach in absolute shambles. Yeah. There are plenty of fish in the sea with lower standards. Just be like, have you seen how many GitHub stars I have? Honey, my GitHub stars. My GitHub stars. Switch on the union type. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Fixed. Nice. That's good. That was a close call. There we go. All right, guys, pretend nothing happened. Pretend nothing happened. If you want to let the user change the union type, remove form and add form. Non-embedded type. If you use non-embedded type like integer, it's still being nested form, but you should access nested form value. I think I need to read a little bit more about just regular forms before we get to this level. When will Hexdocs let me do .md here? And then get this page as markdown that I can copy pasta into an LLM. That's what I need. I need this as, or maybe I can. I guess I can just do this. It's not so bad. I want to be able to copy pasta this in though, you know? Okay, great. So now we have code interfaces for all of these. No, it removed useless ones. Nice. I love that. Good job. Good job. I told it, shut up about useless comments. And it did it. Where are my code differences though? Oh, I just wrote over it. Hey, fix the cron.ex file again. I overwrote it like an idiot. Oh, that's funny. Hex to text fly.dev. Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. I'll check that out for sure after this. Yes. There we go. Read it. Okay, so let's see. Relationships here. I wanted to also see Cron EX here. Okay, okay, here we go. This is the one we're looking for. Okay. What are your thoughts about Ash? Well, besides some outdated documentation. No. No, I think it's really cool. I mean, I barely used it. I really don't. You guys got to let me try for a little while before you ask for a real opinion. But I wouldn't have tried it if I didn't think it had a lot of good ideas. What outdated docs? I think you hallucinated. We have the video. Okay, so are you telling me I can put load inside of here? Did that not? I wasn't saying that you can. I guess I want to look at resources. Base filter, default country's name. Showing pronoun require primary key. Interesting. All CGI, yeah. There's a code interfaces guide. Okay. Yep. Got it. More direct direction. Do you feel like it improves your life quality versus working with Phoenix Audio? Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't know yet. Oh, I would pass default options. Nice. Okay, that's cool. But can AI make good vibes now? Yeah. Yeah, why not? I like something that has a visual reaction magic after leading magic-based frameworks. Well, it's not magic. It's just a DSL for creating data structures that are then used other places. Come on, try Rye. Is that called code? It's open code. Also do load foo when calling the function. Yeah, which is what I have, what I have like right now, basically. But yeah. All right, so we should be back here. List published. Post type does not exist. Oh, that's because we did. Can I restart? Can I like just what's like drop and delete my entire database here? Because I think we ran those migrations and killed a bunch of stuff from the last one. Okay. Oh, yeah, we'll cancel that then. Ask AI, it's really good at dropping databases. That's funny. Oh, I need to also run the seed thing. Mix ash.seed. Is that what it is? Can I just do mix, or I don't have to do, it's not an ash one. It's just mix ecto.seed. Mix, I don't know what it is. Live J Diesel, exactly. Because I think now if I open this right, I don't have any of them in here. It's just mix seed. Oh, okay. Or not. Yeah, that is what I am. Yep. Oops. I really should make it so that that doesn't always get started up, but we'll fix that later. All right. So there we go. Now, nice. Building a Phoenix Live View app. Watch me build a real-time YVF from scratch. Don't even stay fit with the long session doing the computer. Well, I feel like I'm unfit right now. I'm trying to get back into shape, chat. I'm gonna try and be a lot slimmer by the time we're at the tower. That's my goal. Want to slim up. Sweet. So we lost our clicking on things. So let's go back to here. Now we'll tell OpenCode to do that. I want to be able to click on the post and then have it open as its own new page. Make sure to use components and make the code really, really nice. Also, don't use titles for keeping track of stuff. Always use IDs. No mistakes. 1,000 chaos orbs on the line for you. Okay. Tower time is going to be punished before we know it. I know. There's another tower arc. Yes, September 22 through 29, chat. We're going to be back in the tower. And if you thought last time was crazy, we got some stuff planned this time. Got some stuff planned this time. It's going to be very fun. Full Elixir rewrite? No. It's still in Lua. Don't worry. Unlike last time where it wasn't played. Well, last time it came together in about 2 weeks or so. Like, no joke. 2 weeks from Cursor saying yes to, like, hey, and then we did the whole thing. So, yeah. This time we have a little bit more time to plan, which is nice. Okay. Will Cursor respond to this one? They are, yes. Once we have this, then I want to do, we probably should start with doing auth then. It's just kind of annoying because I just have to do so much more stuff, I feel like. Is Ash J Diesel for Elixir? Zach's a genius. Will it be about AI coding again? I mean, it wasn't really about AI coding last time in a sense, but we'll be doing some vibing again, yeah. Ash auth is really nice. We'll get you pretty far. Okay. We can look at Ash authentication. Okay. And that's all you utilize for authentication strategies. Password. I only want to do OAuth, I think. Yeah, I'll still read through. Just read through. Just read through, see what's going on. I'm trying to get a soundtrack for Mordori Season 2 event in Strudel. We have some stuff planned for music. We'll see. Does Ash auth default to magic links? Oh, please have... It's right here. Oh, Shirai even better. Dang, I have to try it now. Oh, one more convert. But Teej doesn't want any strategies and we don't have an OAuth installer. I don't want any strategies and we don't have an OAuth installer. What is an OAuth install? What do you mean OAuth installer? Just mix Igniter install Ash Authentic Fusion, then manually set up an OAuth strategy. Okay. Will this work even though I've got kind of like a weird setup in the sense that I have like I only want it for this for Cron stuff. What's the progress on Mordoria? I would say we've been doing a bit of cooking. We didn't get any I don't remember. Do we have discards right now? We're in trouble though because we didn't draw any towers at the beginning. I think, did we make a speed thing too? Anyway, it's coming along. It's coming along. Is Bisco gone? Can I come back? It would be live problem solving or brainstorming with Casey on certain game issues. Casey has said like a million times he doesn't like doing game mechanics though. It should work fine. Okay, we'll do this then. Take my money. We're hopefully going to. The goal is we will. Oh yeah, Defy Us All has been working on it as well, and Dan Bale. We'll be putting it on Steam. That's the goal. At the end of the tower is it gets uploaded to Steam. Boom. I did. Many email addresses and password manager. I'm fine with magic links as an option, but just like when it's social logins are the only options. Yeah. Can't wait for tower. I know. This will be finished, right? What do you mean? Azure Authentication feature could not find a Phoenix router. Skipping installation. Set up a Phoenix router and reinvoke the installer with Ash Authentication Phoenix. Is that because it's in a goofy spot? I think it's in a goofy spot. Well, that's what I'm saying. I have like I have multiple routers. If I'm older than you, I still say when I grow up I want to be like, oh, can I? Sure. It's a nice thing to say. That's okay. Ash Phoenix Auth. Ugh, it should work. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yep. Manual. That's fine. We just do it the old-fashioned way. We just do it the old-fashioned way. Igniter dot install Ash authentication. Okay. Got it. That's all right. That's all right. Mordoria terminal bundle? Oh, we need to, yeah. Oh, that's funny. It didn't add I have to do these separately anyways. Roll your own man. We kind of are. I'm rolling this thing into my application. No, I know I'm saying, but when I ran, maybe I needed to run Ash authentication first. Oh, I see what you're saying. Gotcha. Gotcha. That's cool though. All right. I still need to read about how this actually works. What does mix hex.info igniter show? I'll let you know in a moment. I think I can run that here. Mix hex.info igniter. Whoops. Sorry, it's too much. We're using an umbrella project. I'm not doing an umbrella project anymore. Zach told me it's a bad idea, so I stopped. But we just basically have, like, if you go to my application here, you can see I have different supervisors. At some point, we'll make these supervisors all conditional on like different stuff. Right now, they just all run. But it's like I've got a Cron supervisor. Right now, it just runs these two guys. Nothing too exciting, but it's fine. Oh yeah, Elixir baby. What's up, Bavesh? Ooh, secrets. Secrets are no fun. Okay, yeah, so we'll need to go in here. We do need to yoink that one out in application and only run that there. Okay, cool. We go to here. We delete this. We go to here, and we'll put this one right here. Because I don't want to run that somewhere else. Unknown dependency. Mix deps git. Never worked with, in, or wish ath. I work in Phoenix. Yeah. You are writing a better Patreon who will work with Twitch users. No, it's just for Cron, basically, which is our terminal coffee subscription. Well, it'll be our digital membership. Yo, what up, Mickey? Good to see you, buddy. Wait, did this not work? Okay. I mean, I guess it worked. It's just that some of these, like, I still don't know what this is. I don't know. But I've been getting it for a while. I'm gonna update those. Yeah, but why did it keep showing when I'm running mix compile? Oh, this always happens when I do deps compile. Gotcha. But if I just run mix compile, it wouldn't. And it kind of does more of like a forcing thing. If I run this, then it's fine. Okay, great. Awesome. We'll restart this. Great. Okay, so we're back here. That's awesome. Okay, cool. So now let's go check out. We have not this Twitch auth one. We have now our cron router. Now, where did we put ash auth? Secrets, secrets, secrets. Oh, we don't want this in both places. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now I've got, do I have a user? Terminal account user, got it. Yes, I do. Terminal.account dash postgres.data layer authorizer. Sure, this makes sense so far. Authentication, add-ons, login ever, apply. Oh, nice, that's fun. Tokens, do. Source tables, user, actions, default, read, goodbye, get a user, by subject line, and data team. Cool. Okay, nice. I can add other attributes as necessary. Now I need to add Ash Phoenix, though. We just go here, and then I can add these to my Cron router. Yeah, sorry, yes, Ash Authentication Phoenix. Which I think, did I already install that? I did. I already have that as well. Okay. Pipeline API, load from bearer, set actor. Okay. Authentication Phoenix. Just put that there so I remember. Okay. But honestly, the installer should have worked. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Leave out reg. I'm mad. Okay. Okay. I understand. Get good. You're saying register path and reset path. Yeah. It's a great question. That's a great question. Maybe we'll start with I do need to think about this. How are we going to do like usernames and stuff like that? Because the problem is, like, yes, we have people sign in with Terminal's OAuth, but then I'm trying to think, like, with Terminal, when we make people sign up for Terminal, they don't get a username. I don't think we made them get a username. I'll ask Dax. All right. Username is SSH pub key. Well, yeah, I know. Shouldn't the CA know if there's a username? The CEO doesn't concern himself for things like that. And the problem uses a username in Cly. What do you mean? Well, I want to just do a display name. I don't want them to just be able to pick a name because I know everyone's just gonna pick the Primogen. Yeah, no. We have OAuth. I can get a user ID. Right, yes, my job is to worry about the billions, chat, not about usernames. Hi from Sweden. Hey, welcome, Carlo. Was there anything about Patreon that the team didn't like that made you want to do this for this project? Patreon doesn't have any way to display your blog posts in a terminal. You assign me the Primogen username? Yeah. To be fair, Prime does drink a lot of coffee. Wait, Teej, do we have an open PR for this? Oh, no, I just merged it. Fix and proof Phoenix web module list routers. Oh, that's funny. 4 days ago. Nice. Yep, helping out the open source community. Well, I think I already copied everything in, didn't I? Warning mix feature. Josh probably saw the warning message. Oh no, I need to add this auth controller too. Installer is better. So okay. Well, I didn't save everything before this one. We'll go back here. Fine. I'll undo these, right? I want to undo this. I think this is all I've done so far here. Use an LM to generate a username for a given pub key. That's pretty funny, actually. Ash auth. Oh yeah, those ones are fine. That's fine. Ash dot star Phoenix. Yeah, okay. All right, so now I need to change mix ex igniter. How do I do this again? How do I say main? Branch main. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, you can say GitHub. That's fun. Because the Ash lock 352. Override true. Oh, I already knew that one. I already knew that one. Why did I know that? That's because here, Shy Rise stuff uses some old version of Rec, so I already had to do that. Igniter, mix, igniter, Phoenix. We'll try that. You should have told me that. I can update that. I found out like last night, Shy Rise. Wait, why is Teej doing the work and not Adam? Girl, such a good point. Thank you. You're right. Let me just. Thank you. I'll send this to Adam right now. Thank you. Are you using Ghosty? Yes. Are you making Winchester work for free / exposure? Yes. He exposes himself regular. What? Project is 1 linear ticket. Build the stuff assigned to Adam. Worked so far. No! It didn't work. All that for nothing! The following sellers found and executed. Could not find a Phoenix router. Why? It's a super slow start compared to Kitty or Alacrity. I just like it so far. I don't know. Mitchell's cool. It handled italics better. Noob maintainer. I also start up terminals like 3 times a day. I don't know. I'm not gonna spend. Definitely not gonna switch because of that. Oh wait. Okay, fix incoming. I'm waiting. My ghosty start was 2 seconds before I changed icons. I don't know. Mine's. I mean, it seems like it's fast enough. I don't know. I don't really get. I don't know. Maybe that's slow. I'm not really sure. What's up, Jetpack Joe? Git commit AM all. What? I'm influencing farming hard right now. Mine's only fast too. I think I have the same CPU. Ghosty takes a couple of seconds for me. Well, whatever. Lads, I've showered. You're welcome. Dan, congratulations. Good. Pixar didn't happen. Pixar didn't happen, Dan. I was thinking about not saying that because I'm worried you're gonna follow through. Might work, might not. Mix, depths, update, igniter. He will tell him it was a joke. Dan, it was a joke. Shout out to me doxing myself in Code Girl stream. Little idiot. That's funny. We recorded the world of raw PHP framework, not even knowing the existence of Git and making fat stacks. Exactly. Whoa! Nice. Nice. I want to do too. Cron web, please. Thank you. Nice. Proceed with changes. Of course. Of course. Uh-oh. Giving Tailwind file. And maybe Tailwind 4. Add the Ash Authentication Phoenix. Add this line. Got it. Using Tailwind 4. No idea. I don't remember which Tailwind we're using. Tailwind config.js. How do I know? Package JSON, maybe? Tailwind? If it was in your mix, it was 3. O's in config. What is it in here? Tailwind? Version control 3. Oh. Evan the chat for logic, my boys. What? JS less than 4, CSS equals 4. They have Jason. That's going to be one of the things I refuse to use out of rational hate until it's tried fine and love it. Yeah, I know. I like how the mods are just having a completely separate conversation here and just confusing me like crazy. All right, so I need to go to Tailwind Tailwind config. And then was that in content? Well, that didn't. I expected that format, but that's fine. You keep track of our combos better than Prime. I also have about 5 to 10 times less people here, so the shade of nut. Oh. All right, I think that was the only thing. So now do I have like live user awe? Nice, okay. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Tailwind actually pretty decent tech, Also, you can read. You got a point there. You got an excellent point there. I'm far more excited for Tower 2 than I should be. Relatable. Okay. So it should have generated like a lot of stuff, right? Terminal web. That's not the right folder, though, is the problem. Those should all be going into cron web, I feel like, right? I guess it's fine. These can all be, they can all be terminal web. It's fine. But it does kind of feel like they should be cron web. If I can make it a church part for hypothetical, I won't be coming. I mean, I think you'd be invited, yeah. Go and CSS setup or fix setup, always painful. No, I don't. It's not. That's. It doesn't have anything to do with the Tailwind part, though. Terminal.cronweb. Get text. If I go to cron router here. SSH authenticated live session do. In each live view, add one of the following at the top of the module. If an authenticated user must be present, on mount, terminal, live user off. Yeah, see, I think this should really be cron web. Like, that doesn't make sense. This should be cron web here. I think that's kind of, that seems like kind of a fumble. For the installer, I think it should be doing whatever one I picked, it should do that web. I think it just assumed Phoenix. All right, Zach, on that one really quick. I think it places some of the installer stuff in the wrong spot. I can type more about this later. Okay. All right, so let's change all of these terminal web spots. This should be cron terminal dot cron web. Yep. And then this should be scope here. Terminal dot cron web. This should be terminal dot cron web dot live user auth. Yes. Those are the wrong ones. DHH better come to the tower. I don't think that's gonna happen. Just like timeline wise in his life. We are like, it is looking very likely though that we're gonna do the big conference that he's been talking about. It looks like we will be doing a lot of work for that. So, so I know it's not the same thing, but it's still at least exciting. VirginCon, that's the one. Rails Miami? No, the Omicon. Terminal. What? Why is this not? Oh, because it goes here. Yeah, I don't want these here. That's not right at all. These just go auth override. Sure. So then this should be terminal.cronweb.auth overrides. Yep. And then this should be terminal.cronweb.liveuserauth. Use terminal web. No, use terminal.cronweb. Yeah. I think all of these can be terminal web. Terminal.cronweb, if I'm understanding this correctly. Yes, for that one. You ever played Melee? I have played it. I'm not very good at it though. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. Jordan Wall coming to tower? That would be fun. We could maybe ask Jordan. We already have a lot of guests actually planned, though. I'm not actually going to say any more info. Wow, teach streams. All right, well, sorry, guys. We're done for the day, and... Controllers. Yes and yes. Okay. I'm just kidding. Well, but I do need to be done soonish. Yeah. DHH leads React Copenhagen. Bob. All right, there we go. So those should be gone. That's better. Now it should be auth overrides. Yes, okay. So okay, this should be add ash auth stuff. Okay. Makes ash dot, I think it's generate. I don't know if I need to make migrations for these. Seems like I will need to. Terminal.cron web. Is that not right? Use terminal.cron web controller. Oh, we don't have get text. Right, because I didn't care about trying to manage that. So where do we have get text? Also, did I get timed out for my arch joke? I don't know. The mods are arbitrary, sir. I forgot what the generating code one is. Ash.generate. Is it not ash gen? I forgot what it is. We'll just look at a few of these. Makes ash.cogen, right? Make ash.cogen init auth. There we go. That's the one I'm looking for. PDF docs are real? They're real? What situation does Elixir excel compared to other languages? Making websites it's pretty good at, I think. Bro, what? I just joined. Am I writing the void, or can anyone see the chat here? I guess no. I'll still keep writing here. Maybe someone can see it. Yes, I was just writing code. I was just writing the code. The smelly code. One word, beam. Also, Phoenix is very cool. All right. Okay, that's good. OMG, he can see me. He can see me, chat. Nice. All right, we're so back. Okay, that didn't work, though. Why didn't the post work? I can see you, X-Chat. I have it open. Like I said, sometimes you just gotta wait just a little bit. Okay, now I will obey the benevolent dictators. Exactly. Oh, okay. All right, so then once we have this, well, let me also see. Generate styling. Reset password and reset personality. Do we even want to do this? Because really, I only want you to be able to log in with Twitch or with our thing. I'll just figure that out later with Dax. No. Grab a nice batch of Cron. 8:30 a.m. Realize you forgot to put a mug under coffee maker. Did that actually happen, Giga Monster? No chaos orbs today. We may do some chaos orbing later. All right, there we go. Back to feed. We click here. Awesome. Bonk, bonk. Very cool. It doesn't look good yet, but we're on the right track. We're on the right track. Okay, great. It's Claude with open code. Okay. So now I just need to think just a little bit. Because we should have like a, is it like login or something? I don't know what it would be. /register. Well, that's cool. It takes us to this. It wasn't exactly what I was thinking it was going to do. Maybe I need to put something else here. Oh, that's because I think that's just for the API. That makes sense. Is to use OpenCode or Dex? Well, fire him! No, I just use ZSH completions. Use it a lot. Sometimes I feel like it diminishes learning. Sometimes it can. Yeah, you got to be careful about how you're using it. You know? Ash and Phoenix work together, which is actually nice, too. I need to check my calendar. Sorry, chat. One sec. I need to see what I'm up to today. Late for stand-up. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, so these are working. They're working nice. I mean, I need to talk to David to get styling, but that's fine. We'll figure that out later too. We need a workflow. We need a workflow for actually like importing these. Seems weird to put layouts app inside here. I don't think we need to do this. I think this already happens, doesn't it? Like, is it not just putting Cron in here twice? Post live? Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah. It's weird. No unemployment flow? Put the styling in the bag, David. Put the styling in the bag. All right. Okay. I think I have to be done because I have some other stuff that I need to get accomplished today. Is Prime live yet? Not even live. Salt my hammies. We're going to go raid study time. Oh, perfect. You guys will get to talk to her in 6 minutes. Study time was just in our last terminal.shop vlog, which was fun at the end here.
If you're watching this video the day that it released,
Right here. Study time's filming this. Right here. She's filming this. This very moment.
you literally ruined the game for us. Best of three. Best of three. Oh my god.
Guys, when this happened right here.
Ridiculous. Best of three. How often do we get to sit down at Daytona, USA together? Daytona. No.
Any real ones in the chat? Any real ones in the chat who remember? Wait, where's my music coming from? Oh, it's study time. I was like, where's my music coming from?
No wonder it didn't work.
Also, but how did this happen? Chat, explain this. Why does it do Lenovo and then Dell?
Windows.
Why is it Lenovo, Dell, Windows? What is?
I love Dell. Windows. That's Windows 10 too. No wonder I was going so slow. Yeah.
He was good
One
at
of the
skiing.
best times I've had at a TwitchCon. I got to
He was very good at skiing. Till he broke the machine. He didn't break the machine. He didn't. Okay, bye guys. I gotta go. Lenovo monitor Dell BIOS. I guess. Oh, okay. That makes sense. That makes more sense. Yeah. Bye everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye YouTube. Goodbye Twitch, Twitter, etc.